All right, thank you very much. Back to school can be exciting, but also an overwhelming time for students, parents, and teachers.
Yes, so whether students forget to check for homework assignments or miss class due to illness, students don't want to fall behind. And we have the folks from US Cellular with us now to talk about how to stay connected with the help of your smartphone and your tablet. This is, I mean, technology in the classroom is big now.
Absolutely.
And I'm so sorry, but I need to ask your name.
Julie Grodrian with US Cellular.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I apologize.
Sometimes we don't have time to ask these necessary questions before we get live on the air.
It's running fast over here.
Thanks, Julie.
We're glad you're here. Okay, let's talk about, when we teased this story, we said a powerful note-taking app.
It's powerful.
What does that mean?
Yeah, so this is Notability, and it's really cool. I know you want something you can hold up to the screen and video everything. You can incorporate photos, video, audio, as well as your own handwriting into this app. You save it into your library, so when it's time to study for the test, you're not looking through notebooks and Post-it notes and you know, the old-fashioned way of studying.
And tell me again what the name of that is?
This is called Notability.
Notability.
Yep,
okay.
And it's available iPhone, iPad. I'm showing it to you on my iPad.
Okay.
Is it easy to figure out how to use it? Because some of these apps, you're like kind of going, okay, all of these features are way over my head.
Yes, there's a lot you can do along the top navigation. It's really straightforward. You click the T for text if you want to type, the pencil to draw. You can highlight notes. All these little symbols walk you through.
Oh, that's great.
That is great.
That sounds good.
Okay, what's the next one we're talking about?
The next
Dropbox?
one, yeah, this is called Dropbox. I'm showing it to you on my iPhone 5S. The really cool thing about Dropbox, when you think about, you know, back when I was in school and we were all in school, you had to call your friends who you were working on the group project with, right? Well, in Dropbox, you can work on it, start it at school, go home, work on it from your home computer, re-upload it back to Dropbox, and share it with all of your team members.
So it's kind of a group, like a way to work with a group.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that makes it easy.
Yeah.
Next on the list, Teacher's Assistant Pro.
Teacher's Assistant Pro, that's a great application for teachers who want to be able to track a lot of different things that are going on in the classroom. So grades, or you know, conversations that they're having with students, or great deeds that students have done. Potentially it helps them keep their act together when it comes to keeping up with their students.
What's interesting is this was featured in USA Today as one of the best teacher apps.
Absolutely.
So and it's only $3.99, so that's pretty great.
Are some of the other ones you've already talked about, are they free, or do they have a fee?
So Notability, it's a couple dollars, but to me that's priceless when it comes to how organized you can stay. Dropbox is free. Another one I would mention is Skype, which is free. We've all heard of Skype, and when you think about it in the classroom, it's a great way to kind of go on a field trip without a permission slip. You can have guest speakers come in and talk about you know, different topics or units that you might be studying. I know, I hadn't either. Yes.
I know.
So Skype in a special guest.
Exactly.
That way it's easier to get guests to come.
Exactly.
They don't have to actually come to you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's crazy, the technology these days. Talk about the US Cellular donation program, Calling All Teachers.
We're really excited. This is our 4th year for our Calling All Teachers campaign. It works through Donors Choose. So you go to donorschoose.org, you register as a US Cellular teacher, and we're going to fund $1 million for classrooms across America. We'd love to keep a lot of that money in East Tennessee. We'll fund projects anywhere from $100 to $1,000 this year.
That's great.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
I can't wait to tell my kids about this.
Exactly. You'll have straight A students this year.
Perfect.
So,
Yeah, one can only hope.
There you go.
We'll be right back after this. Don't go away.